Here's what the river looks like at Covington Landing. Alright, so here's Covington Landing from a different view, which is pretty much just underwater. You can see where you're supposed to park down there in that little roundabout. See a street sign there, statue underwater. Here's from the Roebling Bridge. Here's Smail Park underwater. I mean, it looks like they put a water park in Smail Park. You can take that slide right down in the river. Do you want to take the net bridge of doom or the stairs of doom? Alright, for anyone that's missing the water park at Coney Island, I've got just the thing for you here. Another angle of Smail Park. The ducks and geese are loving it. And here's more stairs of doom. And Megan just pointed out, you can take the real river walk, walking in the river. Smail Park from a side view. I mean, I guess we're kind of still in Smail Park, but alright, Mering Way underwater. Just the paddle wheel. Lots of debris and trees floating down the river. Another angle of Mering Way. The Taylor Southgate Bridge and Yeatman's Cove just beyond. Mering Way down there. It's from the Newport side. BB riverboats. Riverboat Row. And this is Riverboat Row. And as you can see, the floodgates are fully engaged and doing their job. That's what the floodgates look like from the other side. I was expecting water to trickle through, but it's really pretty watertight. Here's a different angle of the floodgates in Riverboat Row. BB riverboats. And more stairs of doom. So here's BB riverboats, and Megan noticed a worker earlier up there, and she also just saw how they're actually getting there, and that's by that little boat right there. Here's the Licking River. More water park. Here's Smail Park from the other side. And some adventurous person just walked through the water and onto the flying pig. It's a little more extreme than we're gonna go today. And then the piano was, well, that's probably removed for the winter, is our guess. But and then interesting fact here on the Roebling Bridge, this is where the river stage or depth is measured. So this concrete, it's like a hollowed out well from my understanding, so the gauge probably floats within sight of that, and you can see some of the markings inside it, and then it probably transmits the data through that antenna to somewhere on land. And more of Smail Park from the other side near Paycor Stadium. Underwater. Back on the Covington side with the wall of murals, and then there's also another floodgate over there that's down. Alright, and here we are down at Covington Landing again, and this is going to conclude this little walking tour of the flood of 2025, and we'll finish it off with the Stairs of Doom.